Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying out anything for review, skincare for Sunday roll. There go with dislike. Anyways, you guys, we will be trying Sunday Riley's Good Genes lactic acid treatment. So this treatment is supposed to deeply exfoliate the dull surface of the skin for a clarified radiance and younger looking skin. So we are going to see, is this product, 1 ounce of this product is $105. These are La Mer prices. Anything for reviews Sunday Riley. The limited edition one, which is beautiful, is 1 ounce is $158 and 1.7 ounces, and the regular one, 1.7 ounces, is also $158. So woo, Sunday Riley, girlfriend, this is a lot. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and swatch this product. Now I have a sample, so girl, 105. I just spent all my money on La Mer. So when Sephora was having these samples, I think I got this at Sephora. I cannot remember where I got this mini sample, but you guys know I'm not on PR lists because I'm messy. Clearly Sunday Riley is about to not put me on a PR list. So, you know, I got to collect the samples for us to review. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch this product. This is what it looks like. That is cute. So here is it. It's sort of like a milky white texture. There you have it. What do you guys think? It looks like sap from like a plant, like a milky sap from a plant. That's what it looks like. It's really milky white. It goes on smooth. It's like, it's really interesting. Now they have like 3 different ways to use it. You can use one with their ceramic slip cleanser for a flash mask for 10 minutes. Then you can apply 2 plumps to clean dry skin as a leave-on treatment. And then the other one is for sensitive skin, and you're supposed to apply it to clean dry skin and leave on for 15 minutes. So we're going to do it as a sensitive mask treatment. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna apply it on my face and for 15 minutes. A lot of you guys wanted me to use my samples up, so that's what we're gonna do. I put it in. Now I'm thinking I should have just did this like I'm a makeup. Oh my god, did I just use it all on my hand and have none left? Oh, this is getting messy. So I know you guys are probably like, why are you saying anything for reviews Sunday Riley? Because remember, the government fined them and they allegedly settled for using fake reviews to get their company up, which is a genius idea. I wish I would have known that in the beginning, because I would have faked all my reviews on Shopify so people could buy my product. No one buys from me. Sunday Riley, that is genius. But my curiosity, instead of faking reviews, wouldn't it make more sense to send your product out to influencers? But I kind of understand. It's easier to fake a review, and the reason why you could have a team of people, oh my god, this product is almost gone. You could have a team of people literally sitting there in the office and pay them what, like $15 an hour? Maybe let's just say about $10 to $15 an hour. Sit there for 5 hours and write like 500 reviews. It's cheaper than sending it out to an influencer who may not give you your money or return investment on the product, and some of them won't even review the product. So it's 10 times cheaper to just pay the reviews. That is a genius idea, and I should have thought about that. Maybe I'd have been up there with Sunday Riley, honey, and would have probably settled with that little fine, because let's see what the fine was like. Probably what, like, let's just say the fine was under $500,000. They probably make, with these prices, they probably make that in probably like what, a month? Sunday Riley, I am not mad at you, honey. I thought it was a genius idea. I'm just throwing a little shade, you know. A little shade. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, so the Sunday Riley's Good Genes lactic acid mask is on my face. What I'm feeling so far is a tingling sensation that leans on burning. So this is really a very burning sensation. Okay, you guys, so we're back. The mask it's been 15 minutes, so it's dried on my face. So I guess what I am going to do is rinse it off. It doesn't really feel greasy. It looks glowy and glassy. Yeah, I guess I'll just dry it off and then we'll see if there's any texture irritation. We will see, y'all. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. My face is officially cleaned. I'm gonna go ahead and dry it. Looking in the screen finder, wow, I'm like glowing. And look at my original skin tone. But you know what, you guys? Let's go ahead and talk about it. Let me dry my face. Okay, you guys, so here is my face. Here is my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here is my full face, forehead, chin. What do y'all think? I mean, I am ready for a new year, new life. Let's talk about it. When they said younger looking skin, they meant it. I know I'm thinking of Paula Choice. I see that Paula Choice commercial every day and I'm so sick of seeing it on YouTube. It's like the Honda Care commercial at this point, but that's another story for another time. When they said younger, youthful looking skin on the sample size, they meant it. My skin is glowing. It looked like it literally took a layer of God knows what off of my skin. My skin is literally looking the tone it looked before I moved to Arizona. At this point, it really gave me a bright glow that I haven't seen since I was about I would say 18, 17. Before I really started taking care of my skin, I used to literally be in the sun, just getting darker and darker and just loving the glow. And then, you know, as you get older, you realize it may be a bad thing for you to be in the sun too much because, you know, it could damage the skin. Over time, sun can damage the skin no matter what color your skin is, no matter what tone, no matter how dark you are, no matter how light you are, or even pale skin tone can cause damage to the skin. With that being said, this mask, I want to so bad give it a 5 out of 5, but I am going to give it a solid 3.999 out of 5. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a 4 out of 5. I really want to give you a 3 out of 5, and the reason is that price tag. Sunday Riley, why is it $158 for 1.7 ounces? Are you trying to be La Mer? What's going on? Are you marketing yourself as a La Mer? Especially with the fake reviews that the government found out you was doing. You could at least went half down on the price. I'm mad that this is $158, but I see myself buying it when it's on sale during the holidays, maybe when Sephora has their big sale. I would actually buy it again. This is the type of mask or the type of treatment, but I specifically personally would use it as a mask. And this is the type of mask where I would use when I'm having a bad day, my skin's looking horrible, I'm not really just feeling my skin, I'm having acne, texture everywhere. This is the mask I would use to help me revitalize my skin. Not only that, this is a mask. You know what? I could technically see the price tag because this is literally like going to an esthetician to get a facial. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and give you a 5 out of 5 because if you think about going to an esthetician, they're going to charge you a little bit more, but they are going to give you a little hydration mask as well. But if you compare this to as many treatments as going to an esthetician, you are probably getting more bang for your buck with the Good Genes Sunday Riley mask. I see why they call it Good Genes. My skin hasn't looked this good since I don't know when, and I've have never been so excited for a mask. There are some issues I did have with the mask, and we are going to talk about it. Specifically, I'm talking about this Good Genes treatment as a mask. With that being said, there was just a little bit of texture on my face, and that's because I've never used the mask before. So if you are a first-time user, they do recommend using it as a leave-on treatment. However, if you've never used the mask before and you're wanting to try it, you may want to go ahead and use it as a leave-on mask. People with sensitive skin, I personally would recommend, this is a really good mask, but if you are going to buy it, please keep in mind that, in my personal opinion, you should use it about once a week because it does give texture and it may break you out. People with lighter skin tones, be very careful because this mask will cause some sort of redness and irritation to the skin the fairer your skin gets, so be careful. I think people with oily skin will love this mask. Normal to combination skin, girl, this mask is like going to an esthetician. You are going to really like it. People who have really bad acne scars, over time this mask is actually going to help clear up your acne scars. Not only that, y'all know I hate my chin. I haven't talked about my chin in a while because right now I'm testing another product for dark spots for under the chin. But boy, if I was just using Sunday Riley, I'm already telling you, the thinner the hairs get under the chin, I am all for it, honey, because right now I need to go and get some tweezers. That's another story for another time. Y'all know I can't stand my chin, and oh my god, I just feel it. It was like literally all burning up in here, so I know it was working to get that chin real good. Oh my god, let me go because this is getting, I just really like this mask personally. Like I said, will I buy it again? Yes, I can't wait till the holidays. I think this one will be one I will pick up around the holiday season because I can't afford it during the year, honey. I'm gonna have to wait till Sephora has their sale before I get it. I like this mask a lot, and I see myself purchasing a full-size bottle when I get some money. If I could recommend Sunday Riley with this mask, personally, can you make a smaller bottle, preferably like a half an ounce, and maybe make it $50 or $45? I don't understand why we can't get like a half an ounce of a jar. I mean, La Mer got like 6 and 7 sizes of their Creme de la Mer. Can you at least give us 6 or 7 sizes of this mask? This is a really great treatment, and I think you need more sizes than you are giving us. I will say, when I was rinsing my face, it was a little bit hard to come off. However, when it did come off, because as I was rinsing it, I was worried that it was going to leave some sort of film, some sort of sticky coating on my face. Y'all know I hate that type of coating because it's a fake, fraudulent coating. But it didn't leave that coating on my face. My skin feels so smooth, and all I need is a moisturizer and some sunscreen, and I am ready to go to Home Depot and get me a man to fix my bathroom because the other one isn't doing the job correctly. Oh my god, let me go. This is just getting worse by the moment, and I feel the dislikes coming. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. With that being said, I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.